What did I get this time? I've done a video on the Proyama ice auger. They liked it so much they decided to send me that 5-in-1 power tool, and they enjoyed this video so much that they decided to send me a chainsaw. I didn't want to say it, but let's take a look at it. It's coming fully equipped. Well, the element is not really what's important. Got 2 chains. 24 inches, 21, and the chainsaw itself.
Lots of horsepower. Lots. I'm surprised. Ooh. 24-inch blade. Remy, I think you have an option for the blades.
Yep, I can put it 20 inches.
20-inch that you got with the saw.
Yep.
Wow. Wow. Yep, we'll have to try it out again. Wow.
All right, Proyama. Isn't it amazing? Sal was amazed. So we used a chainsaw. We didn't really have any way or any time or any plan on cutting any of those trees back there because we want to be selective about what we do. So he had those little logs on the ground there that he wanted to cut, and it went pretty well, pretty smoothly. He was really amazed by the chainsaw. I've been working on the side of the road up there with the brush cutter. It's doing amazing as well. Proyama, seriously, thank you so much for those amazing tools. My dad used the brush cutter as well. The chainsaw's doing great. The ice auger is great. Everything that I got from them is awesome. Sells really felt the power in that chainsaw. He even told me after, he said, I'm not on screen, but I will tell you, like, chainsaw really had power. I really felt like I was in control of what I was cutting. So it's all good. You can go ahead and buy that chainsaw. I will post a link on their Amazon link, Amazon page. I mean, you've seen it yourself. A lot of power in there. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't hesitate to share, like, subscribe if it's not already done. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.